Hello, this is Roger from Rogue Health. Today I just want to talk about building your channel and making money with your business online. I started this business with my son who really wanted to have a business online and had multiple ideas on how and what to do, but didn't really know how. Now, I paid a lot of money for a course and it was well worth it. There was also other stuff that was promoted and available to us, which is coaching, but that was very expensive. And as I learned more and more about doing business online, I realized that you must develop your channel before you do anything else. So you must, first of all, the more you practice, the better you'll become at it. So you have to persevere. You always have to put content online, be consistent. Make sure you pick your niche and you know what it is that you're passionate about. And also, if you want some good suggestions and see some good content in other channels, I really do highly recommend that you go and watch videos by Justin Brown, Primal videos. He is fantastic. Their channel and their niche is to do product reviews. They do an excellent job. Their videos are very professional. I don't think you need to be that professional, but if you're a perfectionist and you want to do the same as they do, all the best for you. And then the other person that I really like to watch videos is Karen Marrow, Marrow, I believe. I'm not sure, but she is fantastic. She has more than 900 videos. And when I say this, neither her or Justin Brown ever promote courses in their content that I have seen. They just talk about different ideas on what you can do to make money online, from monetizing your channel to niches, what are the best niches, just overall a ton of ideas. And I really applaud them for what they do. They provide great content for everyone to look at, and there's no pressure about anything, and they seem to do very well. So but I do recommend that once you've built your channel, look at different courses that are available. Be ready to spend the money. It does cost a bit of money. I believe for me it was around $6,000 Canadian, $4,000 US, and I did build a website afterwards, and I just haven't activated that website yet because I'm first building my channel, making sure that everything is in place, and after that I will make sure that everything is online. But in the meantime, my channel is going fairly well. So good luck. I hope you enjoy this video. Hit the like button if this was informative, and subscribe to my channel. I'll be putting some more stuff on different types of content as time goes on. Thank you.